Um, this is of 28th of November 2025, gold and USD pair. I marked previous day low, previous session high, and waited for bias. Market was a little choppy because of some news. You can see it's so choppy. It's so unpredictable. The candle goes down, up and down. Although it was correct after this, basically, London session, it was all good. So market gave me liquidity here, which is basically previous session low, which I marked. This was of Asian session, and this is of another session. You can see this. Market gave the session low. The bias, according to that, was um, of uptrend, like bullish bias, because you can see the liquidity swept here. Market gave break of structure, and multiple things happened here, and then market eventually went up. So when the market is little choppy, s- uh, I should have not taken a trade, but still I had taken the trade. So after seeing the previous session high getting swept by the price, although the bias was uptrend, which is bullish, I ignored that. So I saw this went up, gave breakout structure. This was according to 3 minutes time frame, and then I waited for price to come to 50% zone of this little fair value gap which was created. So when price comes to 50% zone, what I did, I sold the price. I sold and kept the SL right here because here was the last order block. According to that, there are many orders here. Still, I waited for price to move down to here because right now you can see in 15 minutes time frame, like in even higher time frames, you can see here is fair value gaps. Okay, 30 minutes time frame. Here is fair value gaps. Here is fair value gap. So with that, I thought I could make up to this particular fair value gap. So this particular fair value gap had this 50% zone. So I thought you can see in 1 minute time frame, you can see how I marked it. See where I kept the SL, TP. You can see. But what price had other some other motives. You can see in 15 minutes time frame. When we go to fair value gap, you can see the fair value gap. If it is considered like this, then price moved to the fair value gap of the 50% zone of fair value gap here, which is basically uncommon, and then went up. So the most of the thing was most of the uh, um, problem why I got liquidated, or why I got my SL hurted. This was because of bias. My bias was considered to be bullish because of this liquidity sweep right here. You can see it. It should be bullish. I should have never sold at any cost, but I sold. And even if the bias is so bias is on its direction, and if I go against bias, it will basically hunt my SL. So the thing is, never go against your bias, even if there is a good price there. Bias is so essential. So the thing is,